Students, good morning. Welcome to English session. So in the last class we learned from the part the everyday answer. What is our lesson? Everyday answer. So this lesson of the part completed. So what happens? Have you remember? Yes, the curado. The person is the curado. He likes birds very much. One day he went for hunting. He got a young crane. Yes. So in that curado's home, he's there. His cook is there. So he said, so in this supper time, you can cook this crane curry. So like that he said. So he started cooking. At the same time, one of friend came to the kitchen. Yes, he saw that meat. He saw that curry. So it's very yummy and it's looking very delicious. So he asked to the friend asked to cook. So please give me one piece to eat. Like that he asked. So what the cook said, no, I can't give to you. I can't give to you. Like that he said. So finally, after some time, he given one leg piece for his friend. So he eaten and he went. After some time, even the owner, that means the curado came. So he sat on the dining table for eating. So he saw that curry. Yes. What happens? The crane having only one leg. So he got very angrily. He asked to his cook, what about why this crane having only one leg? What about one more leg? And then he said. Then the cook replied, no, the crane has only one leg. Like that he said. Then the curado he did not believing the cook's word. Lines. So what he said, I will prove it in the next morning. Then you believe me. I will prove it. Like that the cook said. In the same way, curado also accepted that. So I will prove it. I accepted. So finally, what happens? Let's see. There is a matter ended at that night. Okay, they agreed that promise. So what happens at that night time completed, all are slept. But in the next morning, but curado, whose anger at the man's impudence had hardly allowed him to get rest, rose early. He called for horses and took the cook along with him towards the river, where he had often seen plenty of cranes at that early hour of the day. We shall soon see, he said to the cook, how much truth was in your words spoken last night. The cook was now fairly at his wits' end. Gladly he would have made his escape, but he knew that there was now little hope of doing so. Yes. What happens in the next morning? The curado wake up early and he taken his horse, yes, for riding. He taken his horse and along with curado, even cook also went to that place. Towards river, they are going towards the river. So even cook went, even curado also went on the horse. Okay, in that river side, the curado saw lot of cranes. How it is look like? Yes, the crane was not really at his width. So now the cook decided, now I will prove, in this time only I will prove it. The crane has having only one leg. Like that they said. Yes. All of a sudden, as they came in sight of the river, he happened to see before anyone else a number of cranes. They were each standing on one leg, as cranes usually do when they are sleeping. With a sigh of relief, the cook pointed them cook pointed them out to Curado, saying, "Now, sir, you can see for yourself that I spoke nothing but the truth when I said the cranes having only one leg." Yes, all of the sudden, at that same time, he saw the river. In that river having a lot of cranes. Yes, how it is they are looking? Yes, they were each standing on one leg only. They sat only one leg. అవి ఎలా నిలబడ్డాయంటే ఓన్లీ ఒకటే కాలు మీద నిలబడ్డాయంట. As crane usually do when they are sleeping. Yes, if cranes are sleeping, they can stand only one leg. అవి పడుకున్నప్పుడు ఒకటే కాలు మీద నిలబడ్డాయంట. So with a sigh of relief, for relief purpose, he slept. And the cook pointed them. Yes, now the cook saw that time. Yes, the crane having only one leg. Now I will say to my owner, that is Curado. Now sir, you can see. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు ఇవి ఎలా ఉన్నాయి. Yes, the crane having only one leg. I said no, the cranes having only one leg. Yes, now చూడండి ఒకటే లెగ్ ఉంది కదా అని చెప్తున్నాడు. Then Curado looked at the birds and replied, "Yes, true, but I will show you something different." Then riding up to the birds, he cried out, "Show." Yes, Curado also saw that picture, that crane having only one leg. So I prove it, sir, like that. The cook said. Then what Curado is replying, "No, yes, true, but I will prove something different. నేను కూడా ఒకటి నిరూపిస్తా అని మళ్ళీ ఛాలెంజ్ చేస్తున్నారంట. ఏమని? Then riding up the birds, అవి వెళ్ళి ఫ్లై అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఎలా ఫ్లై కావడానికి ఏమంటారంటే షో అని అంటాం కదా. సో అలా సౌండ్ చేశారంట. At once each crane set down the other foot, and after taking a step or two, they all flew away. Yes. So anagane, when somebody is coming, if the birds not stay in that place only, it will flew away. So how they are moving? Yes, all the birds moving a one line. Yes, they are taking their legs one by one అలా ఇలా మంచిగా వెళ్తున్నాయంట. ఈ లెగ్స్ అన్ని ఒకటే దగ్గర ఇలా కనిపిస్తున్నాయంట. వాళ్ళు షూ అనగానే టోటల్గా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాయి. Now they observed. Curado then turned to the cook and said angrily, "Well, fellow, do you believe now that cranes have two legs?" అవి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఎలా కనిపించాయంటే 2 legs కనిపించాయంట. నువ్వు నాతో అబద్ధం చెప్పావు కదా, ఇప్పుడు 2 legs కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కదా అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. What can you say to save yourself from the thrashing that I promised you? మరి నిన్ను నువ్వు రక్షించుకోవడానికి మరి ఏ ప్లాన్ వేస్తావు? అది ఆ ప్లాన్ కరెక్ట్, నువ్వు చెప్పింది రాంగ్ అయితే నేను కొడతా అని చెప్పాను కదా అని జస్ట్ అలా గుర్తు చేస్తున్నాడు. So what happens? Only this replied the cook, making a brave effort to gather his wits. Had you but called, show to the crane last night, it might have put down the other leg too, as these birds did know. So you might have been saved all this journey. Well said, fellow, well said, declared Curado, laughing. You are ready with has saved your skin. Let us turn and go home. Thus the cook escaped a beating and made peace with his master. Yes, only this replied the cook, making a brave effort to gather his wits. Wits means here intelligent question. But you called show that crane last night. To that last night, it might have put down the other leg too, as these birds did know. Yes, it's having only one leg, sir. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా షూ అనగానే that legs already one by one కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కానీ అవి ఓన్లీ it's having only one leg, sir. So like that he is saying very effectively. Only this replied the cook, making a brave effort to gather his wits. Have you but called shoo to the crane last night? It might have put on the other leg too. It's having only one leg when he moving. It's having it's look like all only having one leg only, sir. Like that he said. And these birds did know. So you might have been saved all this journey. Well said. Okay. Well said. Well said. Like that said. Curado laughing. You are ready with his save your skin. Let us turn and go home. Okay. I will accept. I will accept this. What you said, I will accept. So well done, cook. So finally, the cook escaped a beating and made a peace with his master. Yes. So finally, he got one particular idea. He implemented that idea. Even Kurada also accepted. So finally, the two members went to court and eating that cranes. Okay. So this is the lesson. So in the next class, we will see one more lesson. Okay. Thank you.